Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to stop Roblox games from crashing on mobile. First, try restarting your mobile device completely. This simple step often clears up minor software conflicts. Next, ensure you have a strong, stable internet connection, whether it is Wi-Fi or mobile data, as poor connectivity frequently causes games to crash. Also, make sure to close all other applications running in the background before launching Roblox, as they can consume valuable resources. To prevent crashes, optimizing your device's performance is key. Make sure you have at least 1 GB of free internal storage. Devices with low storage struggle to run demanding applications smoothly. Unnecessary photos, videos, or unused apps should be deleted to free up space. Additionally, regularly clear your device's general cache, which helps remove temporary files that can slow down your system over time and lead to instability. Proper Roblox app maintenance is essential for crash prevention. First, navigate to your device settings, find the Roblox application, and clear its cache. This action removes temporary data that might be causing issues. If crashes persist, consider completely uninstalling and then reinstalling Roblox from your official app store. This process ensures you have a fresh, uncorrupted installation, often resolving deeper problems that simple cache clearing cannot fix. Maintaining your device's overall health also plays a significant role. Always keep your mobile operating system updated to its latest version, as these updates often include performance improvements and bug fixes that benefit all applications, including Roblox. Furthermore, monitor your device for overheating. If it feels excessively warm, put it down and allow it to cool for at least 15 minutes. Playing on an overheated device can severely impact performance and cause crashes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.